First, we introduce the Cosmer Orange Peeler, a versatile tool perfect for a range of fruits from oranges to grapefruits. Its durable and safe plastic construction ensures longevity, while its ease of use promises to keep your hands dry and free from citrus residue. This gadget is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their fruit preparation process. Next on our list is the Tupperware Citrus Peeler, celebrated for its quality, durability, and ease of use. Customers commend its bladed design for making citrus peeling effortless and recommend it for its great value. A testament to Tupperware's commitment to convenience, this peeler is a simple yet effective tool for any kitchen. OXO Good Grips Citrus Peeler. The OXO Good Grips Citrus Peeler stands out with its compact, comfortable Y-peeler shape, designed to work with every grip. Featuring sharp, durable, Japanese stainless steel blades and a non-slip ergonomic handle, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This peeler is a testament to OXO's reputation for creating thoughtfully engineered kitchen tools. Deiss Pro Dual Julienne Peeler. The Deiss Pro Dual Julienne Peeler offers multi-functionality with its citrus peeler, Julienne slicer, and more, all in one tool. Built to last with high-quality stainless steel and a comfortable non-slip handle, this compact and dishwasher-safe peeler is perfect for enhancing your cooking with endless dish opportunities. Deiss provides a lifetime warranty, underscoring their confidence in this versatile kitchen gadget. The Pelamatic electric fruit peeler is an automatic kitchen marvel designed for efficient peeling of oranges, lemons, and more. Its adaptability to different thicknesses and shapes, combined with durable construction, makes it a comprehensive solution for peeling needs. With an eco-friendly edge, this machine is an advocate for healthy living and sustainable kitchen practices. Stainless Steel Orange Peeler. Featuring a sleek stainless steel design, this orange peeler is not only durable and resistant to rust, but also ensures stable peeling with its knife holder. It's a time-saving tool for anyone looking to quickly prepare citrus fruits without the hassle. Stainless Steel Lemon Orange Peeler. Lastly, the Stainless Steel Lemon Orange Peeler, with its fine polishing and sharp knife edge, offers effortless peeling of oranges, grapefruits, and other citrus fruits. Its comfortable non-slip handle ensures a secure grip, making this peeler an indispensable tool for your citrus peeling needs. In conclusion, these top 7 orange peeler machines present a range of options for efficiently handling citrus fruits, including orange in your kitchen, from manual tools to electric marvels. Each has been designed with both functionality and user safety in mind. Thank you for joining us for this detailed review. If you found our insights helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more information on these products, check the links in the description. Subscribe to our channel for more meticulous reviews of culinary gadgets.